Okay, so we're just gonna do a little test fit here to make sure it's gonna work before I go cementing screws into this thing, some bolts into this thing. So I just got them taped in for now. So I'm gonna set this like right here so you can kind of watch what I'm doing. Maybe. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see if there's a spot I can set this up. Maybe you can see what's going on. Maybe there, I don't know. Oh, that didn't work very long, did it? Okay. So you just take this thing and pretty self-explanatory. Put it up in here. And sometimes it's kind of a bitch to get in, which is why I want to make sure that once I put the screws in, I can still get it in. Because if I can't get it in, what's the fucking point, right? So, let's see. That would suck if this doesn't fit. Well, so now next question. Let's see if once that's in, I can get a nut on there. Because I could always go with a shorter bolt potentially. Maybe. Looks about right there. So let's see here what we got. Wow. That's not good. It's being difficult right there. I think through there it'll go. It's just barely hitting right there. I might have to take off the tip of that bolt to get it to work. That's interesting though. That's not working. I thought it would. Oh, there we go. If I go in at the other angle, it worked. Yeah. So just like that. And then this goes on. And then the bolts, nuts go on that. But again, it'll be a different one of these. But in general, that's it. So yeah, it's gonna work. That's all I wanted to make sure. Before I go gluing these things on there, I'm gonna get some actually different bolts tomorrow. Instead of those. I'm gonna get the ones that fit exact. Obviously getting it back out is going to be more of a bitch because I can go forcing it in to get it back out, but it is what it is. Anyway, you get the idea. I can just go ahead and push these out for now. Or we can do this one. There we go. So you got to see how it all works. All right, see ya.